Yo, yo, yo. Assalamu alaikum. Yep, you thought it was an overlay. No, it isn't. It's just me in the background. In ominous fear. Anyways, let's see if we can actually build a PC without breaking it. By the way, this is just like my 1,000 millionth take because audio issues and stuff, but it's okay. We're gonna try to go through and explain. So here's everything. You can see the case, the motherboard, the CPU, GPU, all of it on top of each other, like stacked. I've seen a lot of videos from Linus Tech Tips. Bruh, he's okay, but like still, like I actually thought just because of watching his videos and tutorials, I could just put a PC together. But that's not how it works. Anyways, I had a bit of help. My personal assistant, Jarvis or Evie, one of the two, build me the PC without my help, basically. I'm joking, but yeah. Well, I was figuring out a lot, but yeah. Now we're just gonna do a small montage of building, like maybe like what do you call it? What is it? I don't know what it's called, but you're gonna just see everything moving pretty like me moving on the screen fast. Anyways, CPU installation easiest. Like my M.2 SSD was pretty easy. The RAM is pretty easy to install alone. The motherboard in the case was pretty alright alone. The PSU and plus cable management did my head in, and now I got a dent on the corner of my backside. GPU install very easy, and it was satisfying because thank God I didn't freaking chip it like every noob. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, and first booting it up, I was actually kind of shocked. Low key, you'll see. Honestly, I want to keep this part short because I'm not here to tell you my whole life story, you know. But some of you have been here for a long time, and I know a few of you have noticed I've been very quiet. I noticed some changes, including physically. I put on a tanks of weight, like a freaking ton. Okay, I get it. I lost my routine, and honestly, I lost my way a little bit as well for a while. And I'm not gonna get into it all of it right now, but we just want to build things way back up because those habits just don't come straight away, or qualities, and it's something I used to have, sure, but the channel is also part of showing how much has changed. Some of it is fresh and some of it is new. What's gonna start happening? But yeah, a lot of it is just me picking up off where I left off. So to the people who did stick around and supporting me through the low points, I see you, and I see it, and I appreciate it more than I've said it out loud. That's part of why I'm trying to come back and cherish those people. So thank you so much. As cringy as that sounds, going forward I want to make more of these like videos that are different, but I do want to see your input down in the comments if that's possible. Let me know what you actually want to see more of. I'm a science student. I do study. I'm studying currently, and I'm going gym consistently now. I play games. There's so many other things that I do. Yeah, but I'm trying to learn other things. I'm trying to collect comics and collect Ushis from Woolies. Holy sheesh. Those are ending on the 25th of August, by the way, guys. So I'm not even sponsored by Woolworths or anything. But honestly, if you need to collect something, low key, go to Woolies, spend money, I think it's every $30 you can get a Ushi, so I don't know. You tell me about that. If you do want to see more of this kind of different things, not only just gym, subscribing right now generally does tell me that it's the content you like the most, and it's the easiest way for me to know that you actually want more, not just watching this video and then moving on. It's much easier than that. Yeah. And lastly, before I go and end my voiceover real quick, like I'm freaking the narrator, guys, I'm the narrator. I thank God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, first, always, for allowing me to even carry out the things that I'm able to do, and thank you for all of you who've supported me over the years. I know I haven't been consistent with posting, and I'm sorry for that. Thank you for being patient with me. Yeah. And now let's show you the build. That's the build. Full process was about 8 hours. Yeah, cut down for like freaking less than an hour for you guys. Like, bruh, you should appreciate it. I wish I could show you the full 8 hours. It's on my phone. It's like a I think I can maybe get those kind of clips. I don't know. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much. Have a nice night. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.